Another potential change of heart over the so-called Hillsborough Law. Now, I know you care about this deeply. I think you've got constituents who've been part of the campaign whereby public organisations and public bodies would be required to tell the truth to inquiries. And yet this weekend, many of those campaigners feel that you're going to let them down. And some of your MPs might vote against it because the security services might be exempt. Yeah, you're watering it down, aren't you?
No, I just want to be really clear. The security services won't be exempt, but there is a challenge that we've got collectively. And the challenge is to make sure that this applies to the security services without fear or favour, that they can continue to do their jobs. They're often the recipients of confidential information, but that we never, ever end up in a situation like we did with the Manchester Arena inquiry. And I have constituents who are affected by that as well, where the security services are able to withhold information and present an inaccurate picture to families and to a public inquiry for a very long time.
But why then are some of your backbenchers so upset about the plans, accusing you of watering it down? We know that you care about this deeply. Keir Starmer took us on our cameras to see him talking to school children in Liverpool about this earlier this year. But many of your backbenchers appear to be lining up to vote against your plans. So what are you going to do? Withdraw the plans for a while so you can work out a compromise?
No, we're going to do what we've done all the way through the process of this really landmark piece of legislation. We're talking to the families, we're talking to the campaigners, and we're going to work with them to resolve it.
So do you think you'll be able to do a deal before tomorrow?
I think we're going to be able to find a way to resolve it. I'm really confident about that because we have already. And the reason that this is difficult is because we're resetting the relationship between people and the state and putting people back in the driving seat. Now, we've been attacked and undermined at every stage, but the people that we've never been attacked and undermined by are the families who've been fighting for justice. We work with them as partners because this bill is for them, and we're going to make sure that we deliver on it.
So you think you can do a deal before tomorrow?
Look, I'm confident that we're going to resolve it. How it plays out tomorrow at the moment is dependent on those conversations that we have. But those conversations are going on right now. Okay. We're listening as we've always listened, and we will find a way to get this right, because in the end, we want the same thing.
One other thing that lots